Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful, welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to say this. Please support me like this forever. My all the YouTube community are very supportive and very kind. So secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and trending design of especially for summer collection, trending design for kids, for babies. It's a baby waist and handmade collection. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope viewer you all love these type of beautiful collection and amazing ideas. So share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and most trending design of baby's waist. I really hope that they will love these beautiful and popular collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and different type of design. So in this video we'll see different colors, different decent and unique design of handmade crochet baby's waist. So my lovely viewers, pick your favorite one and must make these beautiful design for your kids for more beautiful and outclass looks. Thank you so much viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing, very trending collection for them. They will get new design, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So viewer, now I am share with you the benefits of crochet baby's waist. So it's adorable and stylish, a handmade touch for your little one's wardrobe. Soft and cozy, gentle on baby's sensitive skin, warm and cool strokes, perfect for layering or as a light jacket. Easy to care for, machine washable and quick to dry. Versatile, can be worn on its own and or layered under jackets and cardigans. Personalized, you can be customized with color patterns and size to fit your baby's needs. Quick to make, a great project for beginners and or experienced crocheter. Portable, easy to take on the go for strolls and or outings. And affordable, a cost effective and eco-friendly alternative to store bought clothing. Made with love, a special handmade gift for your baby and or as a parent for others. Crochet baby waist are a wonderful way to keep your babies, your kids, your little one cozy and stylish, while enjoying the benefits of handmade, unique and lovingly garments. So these are the benefit of crochet waist for kids. And you know very well, crochet is a popular handicraft that involves using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's a great hobby for those who enjoying making things with their hands, and it can be very relaxing. If you are looking for crochet resources, I can offer tutorials. I can provide step-by-step instructions for basic crochet stitches and techniques. Patterns, I can offer a wide range of crochet patterns for various projects, from scarves to blankets to afghans and toys. Tips and tricks, I can share helpful tips and tricks for improving your crochet skills and avoiding common mistakes. What would you like to know or make? Let me know, and I will do my best to assist you. So, viewer, you know very well now crochet is a wonderful hobby. It's a great way to create something with your own hands, relax, and express your creativity. Here are some fun facts about crochet. Crochet is a French word. Its meaning is hook. The first known evidence of crochet dates back to 1824 in South America. Crochet was originally used to make clothing, accessories, and home decor items. The most common crochet hook materials are aluminum, steel, and wood. Crochet has many health benefits, including reducing stress, improving fine motor skills, and promoting relaxation. The world's largest crochet hook was over 6 feet tall and 2 inches wide. So I hope you all are understand, viewers. Beginner or experienced crocheter, there's always something new to learn and create. Happy hooking! Thank you for watching this video. If you all love these article and want more design and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me, friends. See you soon. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.